Tracker weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. We are out of the showery conditions unless you're out over the mountains. They are still going to be looking at some rainfall for today and definitely some lightning once again. But everyone else should be waking up pretty dry right now with some gray skies. Take a look out over Roseburg. That's a good indicator of what you can expect basically everywhere. Then moving on over from Roseburg, 63 degrees, basically the same temperature as yesterday morning. Many other areas are cooler though. For instance, Eugene is a little cooler than yesterday morning. We're at 59 right now. And again, those gray skies are definitely going to be prominent everywhere. Another look here out in Eugene. This is over Beltline. And you can see the streets are not wet. We did see rainfall last night, but it all got sucked up because we've been so dry lately. Now moving on to another concern for this morning. Visibility is still wavering back and forth out along the coast. We did see down to less than 1.5 miles of visibility over Florence earlier. Looks like it's doing better for now, but we are in pretty good conditions for that to continue to generate. So if you're used to the coast, you live out there, you probably know how it goes. Just be careful for this morning because you might have issues seeing on your commute. Now, what I've got behind me here is our upper level winds, and these are telling a little bit more of a story than you'd think. This direction we see here is actually the top of a circle. That circle, of course, is a circulation, and that circulation is going to be moving anti-clockwise. That's what low pressure does. We've had low pressure out over the ocean, then it moved into the Pacific Northwest yesterday. Now it's dropping down. So here in Western Oregon, we're basically just getting these east winds that are picking up some moisture from down towards Nevada and scooping it back over the mountains, but it's going to rain out all before it hits us over the mountains. So that's really the only active area for today. Everybody else should be getting some drier air moving in. Mostly cloudy for the day ahead, but we will see a little pop of sunshine into the afternoon. So I'll show you that here on the Stormcast. Moving into 7:30, still pretty dry out there, but you can see some of that back rotation there I was talking about moving in. You see that green zone? Well, that's going to continue to shift, and with that, we'll see another wave of clouds come through too. So moving into 11:30, not so clear at this point. Still a lot of gray skies. Hitting 1 o'clock, we're starting to see some clearing towards the foothills, and this is when our pop-up showers begin over the mountains. Still clearing through 2:30. This is the most likely area to see, or most likely time to see some sunshine, especially on the coast, maybe inland from about 2:30 to 5 o'clock. And then some of those clouds are going to break off again and move back into our area, and that means we're not going to see any sunshine after that. But look at how active it is out over the mountains. Once again, probably see some thunder. Moving into the 7-day forecast, things are going to continue to dry out over the next couple days here. Sunday is the next return of some rainfall, but it's not very strong. Check out those temps Friday, Saturday, 83 and 85 in the Umpqua Basin. Sunny. Cascade Passes are also sunny Friday, Saturday, but they'll be wet through Thursday. Moving into the Willamette Valley, should be in the mid-70s, up to 82 though Saturday for the warmest day.